In this video, I will guide you on how to use the AI background generator feature in Pacdora. First, visit the official Pacdora website, the link of which can be found in the description below. Once you're on the website, click on Login and create your account. After account creation, click on Tools. Here, you'll find an option for the AI background generator. Click on this option. You'll be directed to a page where you'll be asked to upload a product image. I will upload a product image I have by dragging and dropping it here. As you can see, the image is being uploaded and processed, which may take some time. If you want to use the AI background generator while working on your 3D models or mockups, this feature is also available inside the mockup generator. On the left side, you'll see the AI background option. Click on this option and then select the AI feature. Clicking on Create AI Background will take you to the same page, but the product will be replaced with the one you are currently working on. As you can see, the AI has processed the image and even removed the original background. If you need to adjust the size of your product, you can easily do so by dragging it. We also have an aspect ratio option. You can select any ratio based on your social media needs, or even choose a custom size. You can also select the number of images you want, either 2 or 4. Finally, we have different templates available for you to choose from. Select any template from our collection. For instance, if I want this particular background for my product, I simply click on it and then click on Generate. The system will now start creating the background for the image. This might take a moment. As you can see, the background has been successfully created for our image, and the results are impressive. If you are happy with the image, you can proceed to download it by clicking on Export. You have the option to choose between 1x or 2.x format. By clicking on Export, the download will begin. The downloaded file will contain the image with the AI-generated background. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can simply click on Generate More, and 2 more samples will be created. If you prefer a custom background for your image, we have an option for that as well. You can provide a description of what you want or even let the system generate an idea for you. By clicking on Generate Idea, a prompt will be automatically created. Once you have provided the prompt, click on Generate, and the system will start creating the image once again. In addition, we also have an image option that allows you to upload an image from your PC that you want to use as a background for your product. You can also check the history to see the different projects that you have worked on previously. These are some of the projects that I have worked on earlier. Let's navigate to the history. As you can see, the background for our AI generative prompt has been created. These are our product images with a new background. If you're satisfied with the result, you can simply use the export option to download them. To utilize this feature, you will need a paid plan for Pacdora. If we go to the pricing plan, you'll find 2 options, monthly or yearly. If you choose the yearly plan, you'll receive an extra 43% off. I'll also be sharing a promo code that will provide an additional discount. If you select the monthly option, the light plan will cost you $14 per month, the pro plan $29 per month, and the business plan $19 per month. You can also see all the features that each of these paid plans offer. For instance, each plan comes without a watermark and includes different AI credits. Once you've decided which plan suits you best, simply click on Buy or Upgrade. This will take you to their checkout page. On the left side, you'll see an option to add a promotion code. Click on it, enter the code tag, and then click on Apply. As you can see, a 20% extra discount has been applied. Now, on the right side, you can fill in your details and complete the payment procedure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.